Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to do the speed test and RAM management test comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus iQOO 7 device. During this process of demonstration, let it try to use the 5 heavy games right now which are downloaded, as you can see friends clearly. And this is a test which I'm trying to do after a long time between these both phones, and let's see which phone actually opens these games faster. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. First let's do the normal reboot test between these both phones. So once after the reboot test, we'll try to open these 5 heavy games, and during this process I'll try to use the high performance mode in the OnePlus Nord 2. Yes, using high performance mode we're going to find out exactly what's happening in this device. So I think the OnePlus Nord 2 has got really very much high potential friends if you try to use the high performance mode. Yes, so that makes a lot of difference using with high performance mode and without high performance mode. Right now the loading taking a lot of time in terms of the rebooting test. So right now both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, which is 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, which you can exactly see here. Let me try to unlock other device and let me try to open the Wi-Fi network of this phone. So right now it's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, it's connected exactly, and I need to go to the battery options and enable the high performance mode. So high performance mode option is enabled successfully, as you can clearly see friends, that's perfectly done. And right now all the apps are completely clear from the RAM management, everything is pretty good. And ultra game mode is enabled in this iQOO 7 device as well. So right now let me to start with the first game, which is Asphalt 9 game. So using with high performance mode, let's see which phone actually opens pretty faster. And you can see both phones do have the game turbo enhancement boosters enabled between these two phones. And now we'll be able to find out exact results, what's happening. So as you can see friends, the OnePlus Nord 2 did open faster, right? Dimensity 1200 versus Snapdragon 870 chipset, and both are 8GB RAM variants exactly I'm trying to use in this video. So definitely friends, the OnePlus Nord 2 slightly kind of performing good when you are using the not high performance mode. So right now in the Battlegrounds mobile game opening speed, I think the iQOO 7 was able to open pretty fast than the OnePlus Nord 2, and it's been long time comparing between these both phones regarding the speed test and RAM management test. So I thought of comparing between these both phones after the updates, recent software updates as well. And it's a Call of Duty game. I think the Call of Duty maybe iQOO 7, I guess. Not bad, both phones are pretty close in terms of the opening speeds of Call of Duty. First, iQOO 7 device did open faster than the OnePlus Nord 2. Not bad. So friends, only in the Asphalt 9 game, the OnePlus Nord 2 was able to open slightly faster in the Asphalt 9 game. And rest of the games, I think the iQOO 7 did open slightly faster. Both phones are downloading and loading pretty much with equal speed. And now let me try to tap at same time between these two phones. I'll try to tap. Let's tap. So same time I did click at same time. And first phone to, I think OnePlus Nord 2 maybe. Not bad, pretty close. Next is World War 2 Heroes. So this is the final game. After this we'll try to test how is the RAM management between these two phones. So using this kind of 5 games. I did not include any kind of Genshin Impact game in this kind of comparison, because that's kind of very intense kind of testing friends using Genshin Impact. And first phone to open is the iQOO 7 device. Let's go to the home page, and here we go. All the 5 games are completely open in the background RAM management. That's perfectly done, right? Let's start with the first game, which is Asphalt 9 game. So both phones did keep the Asphalt 9 game in the background RAM management. That's all good, no issues. Next, let's check about the Battlegrounds mobile game. Battlegrounds mobile game also not a problem. So both phones perfectly alright. Call of Duty, yes, no issues. FIFA game, yep, this is also no problem. Next is final game, which is a World War Heroes. Yes, so both phones were capable enough to keep the 5 games in the RAM management, and pretty much the speeds are kind of very close. Sometimes the iQOO 7 wins, sometimes the OnePlus Nord 2 wins. That's it friends, thank you for watching this quick comparison between these two devices. And in case if you want me to do another comparison side by side, let me know in the comment section below between these devices. I can definitely do that video as soon as possible. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.